Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Everett Hotel. My name is Duna. May I assist you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to stay here.
Do you have any reservation before, ma'am?
No, I don't have.
Well, may I know what type of room that you want to run?
What type of room that you have?
You have single room, twin room, and suite room.
What is the facilities of the suite room?
There are facilities for a suite room such as private balcony, living room, kitchenette. If you want to breakfast, you can make it in there. Refrigerator with mini bar, wardrobe, television, telephone with telephone attention, air conditioner, and safety deposit box. Bathroom complete with shower, bathtub, and wash basin complete, hot and cold running water.
I want one suite room, please.
For how long, ma'am?
For 5 days.
And how many person, ma'am?
2 person for me and my young sister.
Do you have any special request during your stay here?
I would like room with sea view.
Wait a minute, and yes, ma'am, I would like to check the available room in our system today.
Hello, good evening. Is this La Presa Hotel?
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to reserve a hotel room.
That should be no problem, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Georgia Aday.
Hello, Miss Aday. My name is Larissa Pico. What dates do you need that reservation, ma'am?
I'm planning to visit Boracay from Friday, April 14 until Sunday, April 17. Yes?
Our room rates recently went up. Is that okay with you, Ma'am Aday?
How much per night are we talking about?
Each night will be cost of 8,500 pesos, ma'am.
Oh, 8,500. That price is perfectly acceptable.
Wonderful. Do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Smoking, please.
Next question. Is a queen-size bedroom?
That sounds fine.
Okay, Miss Aday. Your reservation is in our computer. All we need now is your phone number.
Certainly, my phone number is 0927-6898-733.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you in Boracay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yun na, mag-i-email ka. Kunwari, compose to sa manager, kunwari. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, ito naman. Hindi, ayan na. Natanggap mo na yung email ni Mr. Sulit. Kunwari, ayan na yung kanyang hotel reservation. Tapos, re-replyan mo siya. Templates. Treehouse Hotel. Tapos, pagkatapos mo, re-reply mo siya, tapos sasend mo. Yung reply mo sa kanya kay Mr. Sulit. Pagkatapos nun, ito na yung confirmation. Dear Mr. Sulit, thank you for booking with Treehouse Hotel. Your reservation will be processed in a few minutes. Yan. Ayan na. Ito yung reservation sa Treehouse Hotel sa Pachoca. sa biglang ligo. Tapos, ito naman yung confirmation. And, okay na. Nagre-record pa. Ayan, nagre-record na.